But I'm here to stir you up in remembrance, that you might be mindful
of the words
spoken before by the holy prophets and the commandments of us, the apostles of the Lord and Savior. I don't care what color you are. You fell from a woman's womb like anybody else. And everybody, whether you're black as night, white as snow, yellow as butter, or clear as water, or brown as a cinnamon stick, everybody must come and do what God say do, or else be lost. It's heaven or hell. That's where we are now. You that are watching, same thing go for you. It's heaven or hell. There is no purgatory. The Catholics been lying to us for years. If there was purgatory, I'm quitting church. Are you listening to the old man? I mean, think of it. You're not too bad for hell. You're not too good for heaven. So you rest in eternity on a cloud between heaven and hell, and you just chill out for eternity. Hang out with your friends, your everlasting devilish friends. Drink an eternal pina colada once in a while, and have purgatory parties. You know you're going to hell at the very thought of such. It's heaven or hell. Serve God, serve the devil. Either you're on God's side or the devil's side. Now you that are here, ask yourself, whose side you on? Because you're on somebody's side. Either you're on the Lord's side or you're on the devil's side. Just look at yourself and be honest. Do you smoke? Do you drink? Do you party? Do you gamble? Are you one of them ones that love to be out in the club, in the striptease clubs? And are you one of them type of young women that have girls' night and go to your club and put dollar bills in a gold thong of some naked rascal? Am I right? Are you? Or are you one of them fellas that get together with your neighborhood hood rats? Hang on the corner with the fifth of liquor in a brown paper bag. Couldn't wait to get paid on Friday, and you and your dogs or your homies or your ticks, whatever you call yourself, get together and go to a striptease joint and look at a woman come down on the pole. You went into the club with $600, they came out with 6 cents. So broke now you can't even buy food for your wife and children. Many been doing this since a teenager. Now you're in your 20s and in your 30s and 40s and 50s and 60s. You start off a young fool, now you're a senior citizen and still a fool. Been walking around half naked since junior high school, and now you're somebody's grandmama and still ain't got sense enough to put clothes on. Are you listening to the old man? Are you getting what I'm telling you? Amen. Whose side are you on? Choose ye
this day.
That's what I want to work on.
In the book of 1 Kings, chapter 18.
I want everybody that are here in Orlando, Florida, to make a choice. Young man, are you going to choose to keep walking around with your pants hanging down, showing your drawers? I question your manhood. See, I'm from the hood. That's why a whole lot of folk can identify with this rough, tough preaching that God gave us. I'm from the hood. And where I grew up at, us men or young boys did not believe in advertising our behind.
That's right.
Am I right?
That's right.
But you young brothers, I mean, are you straight or gay or confused? Because a real man don't advertise his butt.
That's right.
Unless you a male hoe. Am I right, I said? Talk back to me, men. So our young brothers are confused. They don't know whether they straight or crooked or bent. Everywhere you go, you want to be, Brokeback Mountain. Society got you dressing looking like women.
That's right.
You want to wear your hair long like a woman.
Yeah.
You want to switch like a woman. You want your nails to shine like a woman. You want to arch your eyebrows like a woman. What happened to the assembly line of men? Now look at our women. I ain't forgot you rascals either. What happened to you, sister? Why are you so influenced by the media that you feel as though if you don't look like one of the Hollywood whores,
That's right.
if you don't look like them, act like them, walk like them, talk like them, that you're not a real woman?
Amen.
You ain't never been a man or a woman until you obeyed God.
That's right.
Are you getting what I'm telling you?
That's right.
Your manhood ain't based upon how many women you can knock up, how many babies you can make, and you're too lazy to take care of one.
That's right.
Your womanhood ain't based upon your sexual performances. I don't care if you walk on your hands. That's deep, ain't it?
That's deep.
I don't care if you come down that pole, not upward, downward. I marvel at these men. All a woman can do is come down a pole and shake her behind and do a lap dance, and you broke?
Amen.
That's all? You mean that's all she done? Came down a pole, shake her rumpus.
Rumpus.
Twirl her chest in your face, and you broke.
That's right.
Are you really that weak?
That's right.
Are you really that mental and emotional frail that a woman can shake her meat and now you can't even buy your baby a bottle of milk?
That's right.
You can't even pay your electric, your gas. Look at your lifestyle when you was young and look at it now.
Yeah.
Is it any changes? Are you still hanging around the same crowd that's going nowhere and doing a whole lot of absolutely nothing?
That's right.
Are you still lacking maturity? Are you still just making babies and bragging about it? Are you still leaving your legs open for whosoever will let him come?
That's right.
All right, listen to the old troublemaker.
Go ahead.
Church is one of the most dirtiest places in the world.
Oh, yes.
And what makes it so dirty is the pulpit.
That's right.
Nothing is coming from the pulpits of America that's saving anybody and even making them think of making a change.
That's right.
Are you listening?
That's right.
The scriptures is a mirror. And there's a lot of distortion in us.
Oh, yes.
And God have made me a frank talking in your face preacher. You know I ain't preaching for money.
No way.
Because ain't nobody want to give you nothing for what we preach.
No way.
Only thing they want to give you is the finger. That's it.
That's it.
I want to give you a gun.
Yeah.
I'm not out preaching for money.
No.
Jesus is coming. The coming of the Lord is closer now than it was last year.
That's right.
And many of us is doing the exact same thing. Year in, year out, year in, year out. So we make these weak, hypocritical New Year's resolutions.
Yeah.
You say you're going to stop smoking. And you just went and bought 3 cartons. You say you're going to stop drinking. And you was drinking before this meeting even came this week. You had your Jack Daniels, you had your bourbon, you was hanging out with your girlfriends and some of your guys. Hey, look, that dude Gino coming, you going? Oh, that crazy fellow on YouTube you keep telling me about? Oh, no, I ain't going to see that cat. Well, I'm going. And many of you came here smoking on your way. Am I right?
That's right. That's right.
Got your liquor at home, got your beer. You and your second husband is here. You and your second wife is here.
Amen.
And you should be here so I can break your home up.
That's right.
I want to break your home up with God's word.
That's right.
Turn social media on. Look at any religious program in America or out. What are they telling you? Nothing.
Nothing.
They want us to believe in the midst of all this chaos, the only message that God sends is he got a miracle with your name on it.
Yeah.
Or God wants everybody to be rich. No. The message of God is get right.
Get right.
Or go to hell.
That's it.
That's God's message.
That's it.
Woman, it come a time that you must love yourself enough that you stop sharing yourself with men.
That's right.
Who don't give 2 cents about you other than what you can offer.
That's it.
When you love God, then you will love yourself. Brothers, it come a time that you have to stop being a male whore.
That's right.
Because all the leg that's offered to you because it's free, that don't mean you have to be like a dog and run after it.
Amen.
When you learn to love God, God will bring you into the knowledge of yourself, and you will understand loving yourself, which will cause you to respect the female.
That's right.